Good morning, children. Welcome back to GK class 25th lesson Animal Kingdom. Animals are very useful to man. In the beginning, all animals were wild. Gradually, some of these were domesticated or trained. Wild animals are those which live in the forest where they are free to move about. They may also be found in places like deserts, semi-deserts, or grasslands. Yes, children. Animals are very useful to the man and all were wild. By seeing the nature of those animals, some man dared to domesticate it and train it, and few became domestic, few became wild animals. According to their nature, they started to live in a desert, semi-deserts, or a grassland or a forest. Lion. The lion is a strong muscled cat with a long body, short legs, and large head. It is the second largest of the big cats after the tiger. A full grown male is about 6 to 7 feet long. The lion is only a social cat. Related female lions live together and form groups called prides. A pride of lions lives in a territory that they defend from other lions. Lionesses hunt and kill most of the animals for the pride to feed. Yes, children. So how lion looks? It is a strong muscled cat. It belongs to the cat family and it is the second largest among the big cats after tiger. And it is fully grown male lion. It measures up to 6 to 7 feet long and it is called as social cat. Whereas female lions, they live in the groups. They are called as pride and they only will kill the animals for feeding the pride too. Pride means group of lions. Tiger. A tiger is the largest member of the cat family. Like the lion, leopard, and the tiger is one of the biggest roaring cats. It is rivaled only by the lion in strength and ferocity. Like the lion, the tiger also roams around freely. It hunts and feeds on other animals. It is a national animal of India. Yes, very true, children. It is a national animal of India and it also belongs to the cat family, even lion and leopard also, and it is the biggest roaring cat. Roaring cat means it makes a sound and it is only equal to, by the strength, it is equal to lion. Like the lion, tiger also will roam here and there very freely. When it feels to hunt, it will hunt and feed on the other animals. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee belongs to the species of the great apes and is found in the forest of Africa. It is very smart human-like animal. It has no tail. After man, it is the most intelligent animal. It can learn fast, has a good memory and can easily be trained. The chimpanzee is approximately 3 to 5.5 feet tall when erect and weighs around 35 to 60 kg. It is covered by a coat of brown or black hair. About its face is bare. Chimpanzee's diet is primarily vegetarian and consists mostly of fruits, berries, leaves and seeds. Yes, children. Chimpanzee is a species which belongs to apes. Apes means monkeys. Okay. And these live in the forest of Africa and it is very smart animal like human being. And it doesn't have tail. It is more intelligent after the man. And it will learn fast. It has a good memory. If we can train this chimpanzee, it will learn and it will do all the human work. Chimpanzees are 3 to 5.5 feet tall and it weighs about 35 to 60 kgs. It is covered with the brown and black hairs, but the face will be not having the hairs much. And chimpanzees, what do they eat? They eat mostly fruits, berries, leaves and seeds. Now next is elephant. The elephant is characterized by its large size, long trunk, columnar legs, large ears and big head. It is grayish to brown in color. The African elephant is the largest living land animal, weighing up to 7,500 kg and standing 10 to 15 feet at the shoulder. The Indian animal weighs about 5,000 to 500 kg with the shoulder height about 10 feet. Its ears are considerably smaller than those of African elephant. Elephant migrate seasonally according to the availability of food and water. They spend many hours eating and may consume more than 150 kg of leaves and other vegetation in a day. Yes, children. Here they have told us about the African elephant and Indian elephant. Gradually, elephant means, and it means a size is very large. When we say the elephant, what picture comes to our mind? Oh, it's very big animal. It's a large in size. It has a trunk. It has a legs. It has a small eyes. It has a big head. Its color is grayish or brown, and it has a large ears. Here, children, African elephant is also the largest living land animal, which weighs up to 7,500 kg, and its height is from 10 to 15 feet. Whereas Indian elephant 1,500 kg weight and height is about 10 feet, and it is considered smaller than African elephant. Which elephant is considered as smaller than African elephant? Indian. Elephant migrates seasonally. Yes, children. They migrate seasonally. Wherever there is availability of food and water, they migrate there. And they spend hours together to eat because they eat more than 150 kgs of leaves and other vegetation in a day.